Yeah, we had our own nasty weather last night here in the metro, but fortunately things have been quiet for the most part. We did have a shower pop up in northeast Albuquerque, but as quickly as it popped up, it fizzled out. But before it did fizzle out, it did put down a 4/10 of an inch of rain. Still some light rain being reported in northeast Albuquerque. We're not out of the woods just yet. We could see a pop-up storm here in the metro. The best chance will be a thunderstorm that develops over the Sandia Mountains and then moves to the southwest over the metro. So that's what we're watching. We're not seeing too much activity to our north. You have to look around the Jemez Mountains and the northern mountains to find some more activity. A stronger storm just to the north of Espanola right now. A lot of dark reds indicating some heavy rain and even the potential for hail just to the north of Espanola. Earlier, it was pretty active around Red River, and that caused a mudslide between Red River and Cuesta along Highway 38. And this is a picture of that mudslide. You can see water on the roads as crews are trying to clean that up. So some issues there around Red River tonight. Satellite and radar showing basically the activity in central and western New Mexico. We had a lot of thunderstorms pop up over the mountains earlier this morning into the early afternoon hours. They've been slowly moving about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So that's why the flooding concerns are so high. And we have a flash flood watch for all the counties shaded in green, including Bernalillo County and the Albuquerque Metro. Now this goes until tomorrow night, and there's a flash flood warning for southern Santa Fe County around Stanley for tonight. So that's going until later on this evening because some heavier rain did move through southern Santa Fe County earlier this afternoon. So planning out the rest of your night, if you're headed out to Summerfest or to the Isotopes game, it's not going to be a complete washout. Temperatures in the 80s, eventually dropping into the 70s around 11 o'clock. And then when you're waking up on your Sunday morning, temperatures starting out in the upper 60s. The winds haven't been too much of an issue here in the metro. The strongest winds around the northern mountains, a 35-mile-per-hour wind in Las Vegas. So tonight we're going to have scattered storms in central and western New Mexico with that threat for flooding. And then as we head into your Sunday, the flooding concerns will continue as we'll see another round of some strong thunderstorms putting down some heavy rain as they'll be moving really slowly. The further south and east you go, the drier you're going to be for tomorrow and also on Monday. Temperatures start to rebound to more summer-like conditions as we head into Monday and Tuesday, climbing back into the 90s. An area of high pressure does move back over New Mexico by the middle of the week. That won't completely dry us out, but it'll keep us from having some widespread rain activity by Wednesday and Thursday as we'll be recycling some moisture and only have a few isolated pop-up storms during the afternoon and evening hours. So if you're headed out to the Isotopes game tonight, there is that chance that a thunderstorm will pop up. Temperatures in the lower 80s. That game starts at 7 o'clock. In southern Colorado for Pagosta Springs and Durango, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. We make the 90 degrees in Cortez, 87 degrees in Durango. Farmington, lower 90s tomorrow, middle 80s in Gallup, and Grants, 84 degrees in Cuba with a chance for more storms. In the southwest, we'll see a chance for storms tomorrow and also Monday. It looks like the southwest could actually have the best chance for more rounds of thunderstorms over the next 7 days. Temperatures tomorrow in the 80s and the lower 90s. In the southeast for Roswell and Carlsbad, you'll climb to 90 degrees, a little bit cooler around the Sacramento Mountains with a better chance for showers in Ruidoso. The further south and east you go for Roswell and Carlsbad, the chances for thunderstorms really go down. Over the northeast, we'll have another chance for afternoon storms. Temperatures in the 70s and the 80s. And in the northern mountains, we'll be in the 80s tomorrow, climb to a high temperature of 83 in Santa Fe. East Mountains will have another chance for some afternoon and evening storms, and here in the metro we'll be in the upper 80s. We'll stay in the upper 80s on your Monday before the 90s return by Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, thanks so much. Here's Lawrence with sports.